Hi, I'm Lisa Valenti, registered dietitian with Healthline, and today we are going to be chatting about a teeny food that delivers big nutrition, the humble but mighty chia seed. Seeds in general are a great way to add a nutrition boost to your diet. They have a little bit of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. The nutrition profile is unique to each seed, so sunflower, pumpkin, flax, and chia all vary, but today we're focusing on chia seeds. Chia seeds are native to Central America and were eaten by ancient Aztec and Mayan civilizations. Stick around to learn all about why chia is considered so healthy, plus learn a simple recipe and tips for including them in your diet. We're continuing to learn more about chia seeds, but there is some evidence emerging that they may help reduce risk of developing diabetes, are good for your gut, helpful for constipation, and may help reduce your risk of certain types of cancer. If you look at the nutrition numbers on chia seeds, they're quite impressive. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds gives you about 138 calories, 5 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbohydrates, 10 grams of fiber, along with calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and B vitamins. You also get 9 grams of fat, 5 grams of which are alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a type of essential omega-3 fatty acid. Chia seeds have a favorable fat profile and contain heart-healthy fats. Lots of good stuff going on there. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of antioxidants. Those antioxidants help protect the fats in chia seeds, but also help protect your body from damage from free radicals. Chia seeds contain chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, myricetin, quercetin, and camphorol. And pardon my pronunciation if I butchered those, I tried my best. Those antioxidants may help protect your heart, liver, and have anti-cancer properties. Specifically, chlorogenic acid may help lower blood pressure, and caffeic acid has anti-inflammatory effects. Chia seeds may also support weight loss. Fiber and protein are 2 key nutrients when it comes to staying satisfied, aka you're not always feeling hungry when you eat enough protein and fiber. Research isn't totally conclusive, but some studies have found that eating chia seeds may help with weight loss. They aren't magical sprinkles to add to your food to lose weight, nothing is, and anyone who tells you otherwise is probably trying to sell you something and lying. But it's likely that even though seeds are calorie dense, using a little bit can go a long way to adding some satisfaction to your meals. The fiber and omega-3s in chia seeds also play a role in helping protect your heart. Soluble fiber, the type primarily found in chia seeds, can help lower total and LDL or bad cholesterol in your blood, which helps reduce your risk of heart disease. Most Americans don't get enough fiber, so the 10 grams in chia seeds can help you reach your goal of 20 to 34 grams of fiber per day. The omega-3 fatty acids have been linked with decreased risk of heart disease as well, and the antioxidants may help improve blood pressure. Lots of heart benefits for chia seeds. Chia seeds also contain several nutrients to help support bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Research has found that getting enough of these nutrients is important for maintaining good bone mineral density. The ALA may also be beneficial for your bones. Overall, there isn't a lot of downsides to adding chia seeds to your diet, unless you really don't like them. They do contain a lot of fiber, so you want to make sure you start small and drink lots of water to avoid GI upset if you're adding chia seeds for the first time. They're pretty versatile. The seed is fairly mild in flavor, but it does alter the texture of foods you add it to. You can eat them raw, soaked, added to oatmeal, smoothies, or baked goods, sprinkle them on cereal and yogurt. They do turn into a gel when they mix with liquid, and a really popular way to enjoy them is in chia pudding, which is super simple to make. The basic ratio is 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to 1/2 cup of milk. You can use cow's milk or a non-dairy milk, whichever you prefer, and then optional, add a touch of sweetener. I like to use just a bit of maple syrup, and then you mix it all up and let it sit for at least 2 hours or overnight, and you have this delicious thick pudding that makes a great snack, especially topped with fruit, or add whatever flavors you like, cinnamon, vanilla. After hearing all about how great chia seeds can be for your health, I hope you're inspired to add some to your diet. Let us know what other foods you'd love to learn more about in the comments down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more from me and Healthline.